Hello, my name is Larry Hatcher, and this is my presentation on my Capstone project. Here are the few of the technologies that I used: a Google Maps API, React, Bootstrap, Node, Express, MongoDB, JSON Web Token, Joy, Cores, Bicrypt, and that was just a few of the technologies used. With that said, let's go ahead and jump on into it. As you see, this is my project, the best of the outdoors, the outdoor gallery. It really came strong to me because I am an outdoorsman, and it's seems like it's a dying thing in my age, and there's not a whole lot of places that you can go and see where someone actually did the hunt. You can post pictures of what they were doing, see on the map where they were hunting at. And of course I have in here for lodging and different things like that. So maybe you'd rather just go see the lodges and, some of the outdoor things that are really nice for this day and age. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into it, and we're going to create a new user. So we're going to sign in, and we're going to be the Big Fish 1. And we're going to use that as our email address as well. And of course, we got to put in the password. Once we created the password, as you see, it took us to the home page, or the login page, I'm sorry. But once we log in, then that's going to take us to the home page. And once we're logged in, it shows us a nice little our nice little home page. It welcomes us. It lets us know with the Big Fish 1. And as you see, there's not any information on our bio or our post yet. So we're going to go ahead and create a profile. And so we're going to click Create Profile, and we're going to add a picture for ourselves. And then we're going to add a little bit about ourselves. And as you see, it's got a nice little picture for us, and then it's got a nice little brief bio. As you see here, I've got some misspelling, and maybe I didn't like my picture, so I'm going to just go ahead and click Edit Profiles, and I'm going to edit both of those at the same time. And I'm going to update my picture. I'm going to adjust some of the spelling errors real quick. And once that's done, as you see, we got a nice little picture update, and it corrected our spelling, and we got a nice little bio. So second, as you see, we don't have any posts, so I'm going to go ahead and create a post. Of course, we're going to put what it is, and this is going to be a fishing trip. We're going to add the longitude and latitude for us, and then it's going to ask us a little bit about the trip. So we're going to enter that information real fast for us, and then we're going to add a little picture. As you see, once that's done, the Google Maps kind of shows us where we're at. This is Pickwick Lake here in Tennessee. As you see, it tells me how many likes and dislikes. Nice little picture I've got here, and a little brief trip. So after that, I'm going to add a few more pictures on there real quick. And once we have some more pictures, do a quick little refresh, and we can see all those pictures and show more about our experience. As you see, we got a few more pictures here. In a nice little couple of pictures. As you see, we still don't have any likes or dislikes. If you'd like to edit the post, we can edit the post and adjust some of the language in here. So we can either maybe change latitude and longitude, or maybe we just wanted to change some of the information at that time. Well, I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to leave it where it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at different posts. So as you see here, I can see the post username here. It tells me what type of adventure it is. I can see where it is with my Google Maps. I can move it out, move my map around, see where this was. I can of course, scroll down and see the different types. If I'd like to, I can filter those to maybe the big games or maybe a bird hunt. And then if I like or dislike any of these, I can add some likes or dislikes to them. Once we do that, as you see, we got a few likes here. Let's go ahead and go back to our birds. And as you see, our likes and dislikes have increased. Once we're done with that, we can actually go find ours. And now we had a fishing thing, and we went to a fish, and we're going to be the last ones. So we're going to do a few likes, and we're going to go back to our profile page. And as you see, you can see that you have some likes on your post. But maybe you got a lot of negative likes and you feel like taking that post down. You can always just delete that post. And once it's deleted, it is gone. And that is the presentation. Some of the things I'd like to do going forward, of course, on the Google Maps is add a little marker to show exactly where it was. Maybe to do a little mobile app going on, adjust some of the profiles, maybe the profile pictures and stuff. But that being said, I'm going to call this presentation a close, and you have a wonderful evening.